Good engineers are backbone of any technology company. They share a great passion in what they do, and I am here proudly representing my company, IamHCL.
Quality and perfection in everything I do.
I trust my strong basics.
IamHCL.
We constantly work with Rockwell Collins to find smarter solutions which can increase their efficiency.
I will never stop developing and perfecting my abilities even I achieve great results. IamHCL.
IamHCL.
Hi, my name's Ross. I've been working with the HCL team here in Melbourne for 6-7 years, and they came on the weather radar team about the same time I did, and I admire the contribution they've made and respect all their technical abilities greatly. They are some of the go-to members of our weather radar team, and very fortunate to have worked with them. So, thanks a lot, guys.
It doesn't matter how complicated the problem is, I have a solution.
It's all about confidence, commitment and dedication.
The first time I worked with HCL was in about 2007, 2008. We were working on the HFS 2200 and VHF 2200, and we did I worked with Harry, who was doing the data load then. It was a good experience because he was working on a lot of our data load activities and coding and working on those things. And one of the funny stories from that time was one of the ways they said that data load was working is that if it worked 10 times, then it was then you know that it worked. And
I worked in one of the first project, 737NG EDFCS, and in that Jeff Finlay from Rockwell Collins Cedar Rapids was my superhero because that was my first interaction to an American.
of course, with Harry's code, it always worked the first time. So that was always a great experience working with him and getting to learn some of the culture things for me too. Growing up, I lived in an area that we didn't have a lot of different diversity and stuff like that. So for me, being able to interact with people of other ethnicities and stuff has been very, very useful in making me a more diverse individual.
Try, keep trying. That's our rule.
First time right, on time and every time. Okay, I strive to balance speed and efficiency in everything I do.
I chase my passion.
We focus on customer satisfaction.
It's been almost 6 years since I've been working with HCL Technologies, off and on out of Cedar Rapids and now at Melbourne. And over the last 6 years, I've seen this team move up the value chain, which is what we would like to see in any sub-tier supplier. For example, when we started working with them, their primary engagement was software verification activities, and most recently we have engaged them on software development activities, and very lately they have also started engaging themselves on the certification support as well, which is very enlightening because for the most part that piece of it we have never engaged with any sub-tier supplier in the past. Other than that, I think one thing that I really like about this organization and the team members is their willingness to go extra mile whenever we need them to. And there have been several instances on our current program where we needed their extra help, weekend support, both from offshore and on-site teams, and they have never disappointed us. And that support and engagement has worked pretty well and helped us meet our customer commitments.
I create value.
Bringing out the best in each other.
Our secret to business is to know something that nobody else knows.
Year 2004, I worked as quality engineer for CAS Logic software development in India, and later I moved to Rockwell Collins Melbourne to work under Annette for traffic software development, who is the mentor, and she supported me in all aspects of my career, and she is the one who made us stick to the projects and stick to Rockwell Collins account.
IamHCL.
IamHCL. I make difference.
IamHCL. I achieve.
The other thing is now currently on the GLU, I'm the software lead for that program, and so we've had to do some staff augmentation, and through that we've used HCL, and we've got a good group of about 6 guys working for us right now. and they're doing everything from requirements capture to verification to code even on our projects, and I feel very comfortable with the team and their capabilities and what they can do, and they really bring value to how Rockwell Collins moves forward and is able to augment our core team with HCL employees to help improve our product and get to our deadlines, and it's been very beneficial.
No why, it's always why not.
There is no limit to what you can accomplish.
I am always focused on new learnings.
I stand for hard work, commitment and learning.
I've been working with HCL off and on for about 9 years now. I was actually working for another company as a supplier and in some ways as a competitor to HCL. And what I found is there's a lot of really good people with a lot of good, strong work ethic there who are really trying to do the right things. I think sometimes, especially in the early years, there was a lack of maturity and a lack of knowing what to do, but the desire to do and to do the right thing was always there. Over the years, we've seen that improve. I think there's been more stability among the people, especially on site. I know there's still some challenges offshore that they're working through, but on site the people have just been excellent. They've been great to work with. Again, they've got a great work ethic.
There is no secret for success. It's a result of preparation, hard work, and learnings from the past.
I go extra mile to keep my customer happy.
So I'm looking forward to the relationship with us and HCL moving forward, and where we can go and how we can grow that relationship, and to make sure that each company is being successful as we move forward.
On the more recent program, we were working with them on SIS. We had a lot of challenges on the program, some of them on Rockwell's side and some of them on their side and some other supplier side. And I really appreciated the way HCL was able to step up to the plate to really help us recover and to try to meet our customer commitments. Again, you couldn't say enough about their desire to do the right thing and to support us and to support our customer.
The folks who have started working on our program, as long as we kept giving them work, it's the same resource and we haven't seen attrition at all. And this really helps the organization, Rockwell Collins as a whole, because we invest in an organization, we also invest in team members, and we would like them to be sustained as long as possible so that we get the maximum bang for the buck whenever we need them. One aspect of improvement that I would like HCL to do is really around the predictable execution. We have had instances where we had to do replans several times on a recent program, and like our customer expects us to execute on commitments and be predictable with our milestones and project plan, we like HCL to do the same thing on our end so that their commitments become ours, and then eventually we hold up our end customer commitments.
We create vision and drive to completion.
Hello, my name is Stephen. I want to congratulate HCL on all their time here with us in Melbourne. I've enjoyed working with everyone, both the people on site and the ones that are still back in India. Thank you.
I would like to thank all the HCL and RC leadership teams for providing me with all the great opportunities which created a huge impact both on my personal and professional life. Also, on behalf of my team, I would like to express my gratitude for the trust and confidence shown by Rockwell Collins. Thank you all and enjoy the rest of the evening.
I believe in my abilities. I'm here to bring the change. I make sky smart and safer.